Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to save Google Slides as a PowerPoint file. Open Google Slides that you need. Click on File at the top left corner of the window. Go to Download and choose Microsoft PowerPoint from the list. A new window will open. Set the path to save the file. Click on Save. A PowerPoint version of the document will be saved to your computer. Find the file depending upon what browser you're using. In Firefox, you'll see a dialog box that lets you open the file in PowerPoint or save it to your hard drive. In Google Chrome, the file will be automatically downloaded. You can find it in the download bar at the very bottom of the browser window. In Microsoft Edge, you should see a dialog box at the bottom of the browser asking if you want to open or save the file. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!